Hey guys, welcome to 2026 with another video that nobody asked for, but I hope it will be useful for you. We are comparing the prime weight and trigger pull weight of these 4 foam dart blasters: the Worker Harrier with saber internals, ZWQ S400 Red Hare review unit borrowed from IFB, the Slynx 2.1, and the Worker Kunlun. This video will compare just the prime weight and trigger pull weight. It does not determine which blaster is better, as there are many other factors to be taken into account, such as ergonomics, design, aesthetics, and price. This will take a whole long and detailed video which I may do in the future. I am using this archery bow scale to measure the prime and trigger pull weights. This scale registers the maximum pull weight with its peak hole function. This method was inspired by a few blaster review videos from China that I came across recently, whereby the reviewers used similar methods to measure and compare blasters' prime weights. Please note that the data shown are not definitive and will actually depend on many factors such as the condition of the blasters and the way it's being primed. I will be priming the Harrier, S400 and Slynx 2.1 blasters by bracing them with my hip and pulling the priming handle with zip ties. For the Kunlun, I am bracing it on my chest instead to prime it due to its length and bolt action. All 4 blasters are recently maintained and well used, with the S400 having fired about 1,000 shots. The Harrier, Slynx 2.1 and Kunlun are tuned to below 300 FPS, while the S400 is just slightly above 300 FPS. Starting off with the Harrier, which is averaging around 261 FPS. 21.43 kg for prime weight. Next, the S400 Red Hare, averaging around 309 FPS. 18.24 kg for prime weight. Next, the Slynx 2.1, averaging around 284 FPS. 16.85 kg for prime weight. Last but not least, the Kunlun, averaging around 274 FPS. 16.97 kg for prime weight. Here is a summary of the prime weight results for your own interpretation. Overall, I can safely say that the Harrier has the most difficult prime among these 4 blasters, most probably due to its smaller plunger volume, while the other 3 are very manageable. Let's move on to the trigger pull weight. 5.28 kg for Harrier's trigger pull weight, 2.15 kg for the S400's trigger pull weight, 2.74 kg for the Slynx 2.1's trigger pull weight, and 2.27 kg for the Kunlun's trigger pull weight. Here is a summary of the trigger pull weight results for your own interpretation. The Harrier's trigger pull weight is the heaviest compared to the other 3 blasters, with the S400 having the lightest trigger pull. What do you think of this testing video? Leave your comments below and check out these other videos here. Thank you and see you.